Hey, welcome again to this channel. Let's make easy vector art of someone. No, not me, I'm ugly. Let me get someone from Instagram. Shit, I haven't practiced it before, I'll be creating for the very first time, hope so everything goes well. Don't panic, even I don't have graphic tab, I use normal mouse that costs around $2.5. I'm using magnetic lasso tool to select the darkest part like hair and beard, but you could use pen tool too. The advantage of magnetic lasso tool is that it snaps automatically with the area with similar color. As soon as the selection is completed, create new layer and use fill bucket tool with black color and fill the selected area. Crap, I used brush tool. But be smart and use fill bucket tool. Fill color in separate layers so in future when you feel like modifying it, you could do it individually. For eyes. First make the selection for the white part. And for the iris, make a rough circle.
I'll be dreaming.
Now give the base color to the skin so that you get the idea of your hard work so far. Drag the base main layer to the top for further detailings. And after filling the darkest areas, now make selections for shadows and patches. Now use normal lasso tool or pen tool according to what is comfortable to you. Lower the opacities to lower the transparency, or lower the fill to lower the color opacity, depending upon your shadows and midtone parts. Whenever you select any area, fill it with black color, cause in future we can modify it too. Right-click the main image and select Convert to Smart Object. Now double-click on the main image to increase the contrast and adjust so that you get clear view of shadows and midtone. And press Ctrl S to make changes in the main composition too. Duck, that went so fast. Select the brush tool and using mouse make shadows around critical areas, lower the fill of the brush to make realistic shadows. After making the shadows, use Gaussian blur with quite high radius to smooth the hard strokes and blend properly. Keep on varying the opacities and fills of the shadow you're creating to avoid confusion later. After done with the shadows, now start with highlights. By the way, highlights of this show is Same Reina. For highlights just simply use white color. Keep on varying the opacities and fills and use Gaussian blur for blending properly. After completing the face, now make the remaining part if you wish. This is optional, but still watch the full video to know how to make vector art more creative. Now group the whole creation just so that you could move and add custom shapes to make it look like a logo. Duplicate the group just in so if something went wrong. Precautions are better than ducking cures. Select elliptical marquee tool and make a circle around it. Press Ctrl-Shift-I to invert the selection and erase the remaining bottom part. Now show your creativity to stylize it. I'm 0% creative and 100% lucky. So now subscribe and like this video. Comment down to suggest me for the next video too.